All type of drama, y'all.
Right? Perfect.
No, we out of bread, y'all.
Yeah, no, that's too much.
Nah. This food is so good. Hey y'all, what's up? It's your girl Nika of Traveling with Nika, and I am back with another travel vlog for you guys. And I am in the beautiful country of Jordan. Yes, so I am actually ready for our dinner that we're gonna have downstairs the hotel tonight. So I'm super excited for that and to get this Jordan vlog started. I did do a room tour, so I'll probably just include that after this. And it's time to eat. I'm definitely hungry, so I'm looking forward to this dinner. Not the hotel, just bringing us some fruits. Okay. So it is buffet style, and it looks like a lot of stuff on this buffet. So let's go. As y'all can see, I am stuffing my face tonight. I trying all kind of different things. This is very interesting. Carrot. Like a carrot soup. It's it tastes like puree kind of. So it's a little, it's okay. Strawberry mojito. This straw funny. I can't even get a drink.
Welcome to Jordan.
I need another. Alright, y'all. I got seconds. The lamb is good. We just here chit chatting and all type of drama, y'all. Like people ain't getting bags. Like, Lord help us. Lord have mercy. Like, how 5 people missing their bags? 5 of us missing, bags? What's the bag juju? What's going on?
No, you get them. They gave you a cheesecake for your backpack.
Okay, we got good news. One of them girls had lead a passport.
So, he said that she found it at the same place
where she left it?
But he says that nothing gets missing in Jordan. There are lots of cameras.
Yeah, that's why I was like, it had to have cameras.
That's because someone will see.
If somebody take it, yeah. Oh, praise God. See that, y'all?
Something here which I'm allergic to.
I was praying that she got her passport. We here trying to chase who ain't got water. They got watery drinks. Look at you. Good morning, guys. Day 2 in Jordan. We are at breakfast. I think everybody's in now. We had some issues yesterday. That's what I was telling y'all last night. But we are going to have breakfast still downstairs. Breakfast is included, so we're gonna just eat here at the hotel. And I think we're pretty much gonna do that because we already paid. So yeah. Today's adventures is going to be like a city tour of Amman, which is the capital, morning, and then like a food tour as well. So I'm excited for today's adventures. I'm just going to go and get something to eat, and yeah.
Then we will go with them, they will join us to go to Amman Theater. After Amman Theater, they will lift us there. Okay, leave us there, and we will continue going to King Abdullah First Mosque.
We are currently in Western Union, and we're gonna exchange some money. Alright, I have no idea what a conversion is, y'all. I did not check. How much Jordan?
100, it's
Like $70?
70.08.
Okay, gotcha. So that how much is this? Alright, so we're going back in the bus, y'all. We just got some money. Listen, this money ain't going nowhere, okay? This US dollar. Alright, y'all, so we just made it to our first official stop. It's at the Amman, I think it's Citadel. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that correctly. I'll probably get the right pronunciation for y'all. But we are here and we do have our Jordan passes, and that's how we're going to be getting into a lot of these different sites. I highly recommend if you're going to be in Jordan for, I think it's 3 nights, 4 days, because you get your visa included for certain nationalities and things like that. You can get like the visa on arrival. So yeah.
Amman through time, it used to have 3 names. The first one, Rabbith Amun. Rabbith means the house of the king. Amun, we used to have 3 kingdoms in Moses' time in Jordan. Ammonite, Moabite, Edomite. Right? And it's mentioned in the Bible. Right? Perfect. And as a ramp, they roll up the first cylinder, they put it in the base. More sand, second one, all the way to the top. After they finish, they take away the sand. It become beautiful temple like this. Romans, they believe that he is half God, half human, and he is son of Zeus. Okay, yeah. Dr. Roman, picture time.
What is the temple?
This is
Yeah.
Hercules.
This is
That temple.
how it started.
Look like, okay.
Yeah, before the earthquake.
1927.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we are actually leaving the Amman Citadel now. It was a really, really great tour. Beautiful place to also take pictures as well. The guide is right here. Yeah, the heat kind of different here. I don't know what it is with the heat, but yeah, y'all can see my curls them done drop. It's lighting though. We are at the amphitheater. We are using our Jordan passes, and yeah, to get in here.
So here, he is the head of the tribe. People come to him to solve their problems. And
So when you come to the amphitheater, there's a museum actually inside the building. So we just came downstairs.
lamb
Bread, rice.
and fried nuts and yogurt sauce. This is, you should try in Petra. There's a
Okay.
restaurant called My Mom's Recipe. You will not miss that. Go there and enjoy the lamb, the tender lamb. Right? Who didn't hear what I said inside? Okay, I was talking about the Bedouin life and how they live in the tent, and women have been separate. And the head of the tribe, he has a server, he's deaf because they don't want him to hear what he's saying.
Oh.
Okay? So,
So I think we're gonna try to walk to the top, y'all. I don't know. Okay, we up 1, and it technically have 3. I'm gonna try to at least get to 2. These second steps steep by climbing up the amphitheater. I can hold on as much as I could. Y'all see that? No, we out of breath, y'all.
Yeah, no, that's too much.
Nah. I don't think I can make it up the last one.
No, we got it. We made
No,
it this far.
no, man, Tara.
Come on.
See? Giving us
We already made it this far. We can go up a couple more steps.
couple.
Yes.
Lord have mercy.
You guys, miracle can you make here?
We made it! Mahmoud.
Mo, I'm the
Mo.
Jordanian tour guide.
Yes.
Yes, but I'm bad. I have the best lovely girls on earth.
See?
I had lots of fun with them.
Yeah. Actually, guys, we are at the mosque. We're gonna do that one first before we go to eat. This is so pretty. I brought my extra like scarf in case I need it. You don't have to pay for these. There are ones that you can purchase, but these are included with your experience. I did bring my own like head scarf. And no, you're good. Tell the vlog. Hi, Ken. Hello. Yes, we're ready. I could put my hair in. So I put mine in. Want to be respectful of their culture and religion. So we are walking up now. So we just came out from the mosque. Very beautiful sanctuary. I don't know if to call it a sanctuary, but the mosque is amazing. You had to take off your shoes. There was a place for you to put your shoes. It was amazing. So now I think we are going to get food. We are leaving the mosque. Gotcha. So that's where we are. We are going to have like a food experience here. And we're hungry. All right. This is like a lemonade, like mint. This is so good, y'all. Fresh and nice. Arabic salad.
Yeah. This sausage, lamb.
Yeah.
And chicken wings. Olives, little spicy. Aubergine.
Yogurt, okay.
Yeah. Chickpeas hummus.
Hummus, okay.
Yeah. And parsley.
Ah, and then this is like a
And
bread?
bread.
Okay.
And this bread, yes.
Okay.
Bread, yes.
Ah. Shaklan. Mansa. Y'all, I am stuffing my face. This food is so good. This is the kind of experiences I live for.
Try that one, you like it.
Give the people a review of the food.
The food, I really like the lamb kebab and the chicken kebab. Really good, really good. The mansaf too was good, and the bread. I really like the bread.
Yeah, the bread. We're having a great time.
Honestly,
yeah.
yeah.
Dessert is
We have
here.
small pieces if you want. Or you can eat it.
Okay.
Baklava. This one is rolled kunafa. That one is maybe collage. And this is harissa. And there's different kind of harissa.
Ah, okay. Thank you. So this is the total for all the food that you saw us eat. In dinar, that's 200 dinars. So it's gonna be a little bit, more in US, but this is really good. They have so many different items here. I'm actually gonna get my shot glass from here, and I think I'm going to get this one. It has the Jordan flag like incorporated. So I think I'm gonna get this one. This is like my souvenir. I'm not really gonna get any of the other stuff. They are like breakable things, and yeah, but definitely getting a shot glass. So they gave us this lemon tea, and that's the lemon tea. It tastes so good. And I think I got some other things. I got the shot glass I showed y'all, I think. And I think I'm gonna get probably like some, what I have in here? Oh, fridge magnet. Yeah, fridge magnet. There's like this souvenir, like spoon thing. I'm going to get that as well. All right, y'all. So I got all my things. These are just some little souvenirs. Good to go now.
Hey y'all, it's your girl traveling with Nika. Welcome to Petra.
So this is the world famous treasury, y'all. I would have rather stay where we were.
Petra!
Welcome to the Petra Jordan travel vlog.